welcome if you are new. My name is Angela, and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing and trying on 2 pairs of sunglasses for you and 1 pair of readers. And these glasses are from a company called Avoalre, and I actually have collaborated with them once before in the past. They had sent me a pair of sunglasses to try out, and I was actually just really impressed with the overall quality and the presentation of the glasses, especially for the price that they were listed at on the website. And you guys know I'm all about affordability on my channel, so I was really excited to collaborate with them again and see if these other 2 pair that they sent me are just as good quality and if it's something that is worth buying. But as somebody who constantly goes to like H&M or Forever 21 and buys like $5, $8 pairs of sunglasses, which is totally fine, I just wanted to see if I could find something that was a little bit better quality, but that wasn't going to be hundreds of dollars, because you guys know that good quality sunglasses can be a lot of money. So hopefully I can provide a good resource for you guys. And they did give me a discount code for you guys as well for 10% off. So I will put that in the description below as always, along with their website, if you decide this is something that you want to try out. With that being said, before we get into the video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, because I do post new videos every single Thursday. And if you like a lot of variety, I post anything from like beauty videos, tutorials, hauls, first impressions, all that fun stuff, and I would love for you to stick around if that's something that you enjoy. And with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into this review. Okay, so the first pair of glasses or sunglasses that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today are the pair they sent me, the first pair I ever tried from them a couple months ago that they sent me when we first collabed. So I've gotten quite a bit of use out of them, and I pulled up the website. So basically these are called the Retro Funky sunglasses, and they are listed on the website for $32. So if you click on them, I like the view already, and I pulled the website up on the side so you guys can see what they look like online, so we can compare if they actually look like online, what they do in person. And one thing I do like is that they actually show people in them, like real people in the sunglasses, so that you can see what they look like, because sometimes what they look like, you know, just like pretty with the white background, is different than what they actually look like on somebody. So that's really nice. So when I first opened these sunglasses, I was really impressed with the packaging, because I thought they were just gonna be sunglasses, but they actually came with this really nice suede looking type case, and it says fashion on it. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's really nice and it's a really good size, but it's also really lightweight, and it has this really cool elastic to keep them in place so that they don't fall out and get damaged. And then when you open it, it also comes with, this is a really nice like sunglasses cleaner or any type of glasses cleaner, and it's a really good size too. So it came with this as well. And then these are what the sunglasses themselves look like. So to me, they look very similar to the way they looked on the website, which I like, because sometimes looks can be deceiving, especially when you're buying things online. But they are really good quality. And obviously they're not like quality as like something you would spend like $500 on, but they're very sturdy, thick, and they're way better quality than something you would get at like Forever 21 or H&M, and something that I feel, you know, would last a really long time. So let's go ahead and try these on. I really like them because I feel like they're really versatile. They have black and brown in them, so you could wear them with any type of colored outfit, I think, and that's why I chose these ones, because I do wear a lot of black and brown, and I wanted something that I wouldn't have to worry about matching. I know there's a little bit of glare from my ring light, but just to kind of show you what they look like, I really like the metal on the sides. I like how it's not all this pattern all the way across. I feel like having the metal on the sides just makes it look a lot more trendy and fashionable, and I feel like they look a lot more expensive than they actually are, and the quality is just really good. So the second pair of sunglasses that I'm going to review for you guys is a pair called the brown Mamba sunglasses, and on the website they are listed for $40. I thought these were really cute and really trendy as well, obviously, or I wouldn't have chosen them, but I just like that they list everything about them. So you guys can see they're supposed to be scratch resistant, stainless steel. It shows the lens color. It also shows that it has a UV protection of 100%, and I also like it says that they offer a warranty of 1 year as well, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and try these ones on. So for these sunglasses, I did not actually open them yet. I wanted to unbox them on camera with you guys, so I have not seen them yet since they were sent to me. So let's go ahead and open these. They came in this just simple but cute black box. And then again, they came in this really nice suede looking glasses case. I like that because a lot of glasses don't come with cases, and they're already really expensive to begin with, and then you have to buy the cases and the glasses cleaner, and then the prices just add up. So they came in this little plastic package wrap, And again, they came with the glasses cleaner, which is nice. But these are really, really nice. I mean, to me, they look exactly like they do on the website. I like how most of the sunglasses they sent me have like the black or the brown color on the front, but that it has like the metal on the side. To me, that just makes it look like a lot more, I guess, trendy and like sleek and more expensive than they actually are. And again, these are much better quality than something you would buy at like H&M or Forever 21, and I feel like they would hold up so much better. So let's go ahead and try these on. So I actually really, really like the way these look. They're not like heavy on my face. They're not too like tight like on my temples. I don't know if you guys have experienced that, but because I love sunglasses so much, I've experienced like good and bad. And especially something I've noticed with like cheap sunglasses is sometimes they're like really, really tight on the side of your head, and they give me a headache when they do that. So I like that these sit well on my face. They're not too tight. They look really pretty, and I feel like these sunglasses are also very versatile, and I feel like they would go with anything. So I think it's a really great price. I think if they were $40 and you were just getting the sunglasses, it would be overpriced. But I think because the quality, because they look so nice, they fit well, they're comfortable, they don't feel awkward or look awkward, and they come with the glass case and the glasses cleaner, I think it's definitely worth it. So the last pair of glasses that I'm going to be trying on for you guys today, they are not sunglasses, but they're actually readers. So on the website, you can get them in the colors pink or white, and I chose pink, of course, because I thought they were really cute. And these are actually the glasses that I'm the most excited to try and use over time and see if they work, because they're supposed to be, what does the box say? They're supposed to be anti-blue light glasses. So if you are somebody like me, I work on social media, or even if you don't work on social media, our generation just tends to be on the computer or looking at our phones all the time, which can be really, really harsh on our eyes. So these readers are supposed to be really great for eye protection. It's supposed to have like a unique like film coating that can really help effectively block and absorb like blue light and prevent eye diseases and damage and stuff like that. So if you're somebody who is, like I said, constantly on social media or looking at screens that are harsh for your eyes, this might be something that you want to try. And these glasses are listed for $35 on the website. So if they actually work, I think that's a very, very decent price to be able to protect your eyes from long-term damage. So these glasses came in this little pretty white box, and it's really cute because it has this little pull-out thing right here. And these ones are packaged a little bit differently, probably just because they're not sunglasses, but they came in this really nice little black bag. So yeah, I'm really excited about these because I am on my computer and my phone so much, and I really, really love that they're pink. See, I love that they're pink, but they're not like super bright pink. They're like translucent pink, where it's just like a little bit, and it's not like in your face, like bam, pink glasses. So let's go ahead and put these on. So obviously, like, they're like have like a little bit of a tint because they're supposed to protect your eyes from like blue light and like just like light from like, you know, a computer screen or like a phone screen. First of all, I think they look very fashionable for what they are. I wouldn't be embarrassed to like pull these out and wear these like while I'm at work, because I do work at a spa and I'm on the computer a lot too. So I'm excited to take these and see how they help my eyesight, and also how they help my eyesight over time as I work on social media and film and edit videos and stuff like that. So like I said, over time I'm gonna have to see if they actually work, and I can give you guys an update, but I can see a difference, like even with like the ring lights when I take them off versus when I have them on. It feels a lot less harsh and in my face, almost like it's blocking that harshness, if that makes sense. I don't know. I've never owned a pair of readers like this, so I'll have to test them out and see. But so far, I think they're really pretty. They look really, really great quality, and I have high hopes for them working. So as long as they work, I think it's a really, really great price for readers. And also to you guys, I wanted to go back to the website and kind of show you more that they have to offer. So basically, I know that the glasses that I showed you they weren't on the expensive side. I think that they're very, very affordable, especially when you compare glasses that are like in the hundreds, you know, of dollars range. I think it's very, very doable and the quality is good. But I know that sometimes even like $30 or even $40 is too much for a pair of sunglasses. So I wanted to show you guys, if you go to their website, whether you're a man or a woman, they have women's and men's, but I'm specifically in the women's. So if you go and scroll, let me go to the first page. So if you go to the first page, they have a variety. So they have some that are like 25, and I think I even remember seeing some like The cat eye classic ones, which are super cute, are $20. They have some that are listed for like $13, $18, $17, and all of them are really, really cute and trendy. I mean, and there's even more on here than the last time that I was on this website taking a look at their stuff. So that just tells me that they're always constantly uploading new stuff and that they seem to be growing with the trends. Like, these are only $13.34, and I am seriously considering ordering these. These are so cute. So, and they're not that expensive at all. So, you know, even if $30, $40 is still out of your price range, they do have things around other prices that are still really, really trendy that could be an option for you. All right, guys, that is all I have for you today. I really hope that you found this review helpful. I hope that I'm able to provide some affordable resources for you guys when it comes to products, because I know how much pressure there is on society for us to be trendy and have the best like makeup products and, you know, sunglasses and be really fashionable, but all that stuff can really add up and be really, really expensive. So I really like this company. I wouldn't talk about them or promote them if I didn't think the quality was good. So I really do hope that you find it helpful. Again, I do have a discount code for you guys if you do decide you want to try this out, and I don't get anything from it. I don't make commission or anything. They were just really nice to give it to me, and I want to share the resources that I have been gaining and learning about throughout this whole journey on YouTube. So if you guys have any like specific types of products you'd like me to seek out that are more affordable, definitely let me know in the comments below, because these are my favorite types of videos to film and I would love to find more good quality products for you guys. And with that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!